Hello everyone, welcome to Mehraj Academy. Here is the most asked question is how to add comments to a cell. In an Excel sheet, comments are used for a lot of reasons. Comments can be used to clarify the purpose of the cells. Comments can be used to clarify the formula used in the cell. Comments can be used to leave notes for other users about the cell. So let's see how to use a comments in Microsoft Excel cells. You can see a lot of data of food item and their measurement and the ratio of this measurement. Also, here is a note mentioning that protein, fat, carbs, fiber are measured in grams. We don't want to show the data mentioning here. We just want to show the data mentioning here, or showing the data here which will not show outside the border. So for this, just cut the data and keep your cursor for your respective area and just click the right button of your mouse and you will get insert comments. Just click it and just paste it here. You are seeing that the same note is mentioning here that protein, fat, carbs, fiber are measured in grams. See, by this way I have prepared or insert a comments on a cell.